Welcome back to Station for Learning, where literature becomes simple, meaningful, and inspiring. Today we'll explore the beautiful poem In a Station of the Metro by Ezra Pound and discuss its key literary themes. Though it's only 2 lines long, it carries deep meaning about life, beauty, and modern human experience. Let's begin. The poem captures a brief, fleeting moment, faces appearing and disappearing in a busy metro station. Ezra Pound shows us how life, beauty, and human connection are temporary, much like petals that appear briefly before falling. Through just one vivid image, the poet freezes this instant in time, reminding us that poetry can preserve what would otherwise be lost in the rush of life. The poem contrasts modern urban life, the metro, the crowd, the machinery, with nature, petals, and a bough. This mix of the mechanical and the organic shows how beauty can exist even in industrial spaces. Pound turns the city crowd into a kind of modern nature scene, suggesting that even in the noise and chaos of the modern world, the human experience remains poetic. The image of faces in a crowd reflects loneliness and anonymity in city life. Although people stand together in a crowded metro, there's often no real connection, just ghostly faces passing by. Pound's choice of the word apparition makes these people seem like spirits, highlighting the spiritual emptiness of modern existence. Ezra Pound finds poetic beauty in an everyday moment, people waiting for a train. By comparing them to petals on a wet black bough, he transforms something ordinary into something artistic and emotional. This supports the Imagist movement, which believed that a single, clear image can express a deep emotion or truth. Finally, the poem celebrates the power of perception, how a single moment of observation can inspire art. When Pound sees faces in a crowd, he turns them into an image of beauty and sadness. The poem itself becomes that image, showing that meaning doesn't always need explanation. Sometimes feeling is enough. So to sum up, the poem In a Station of the Metro may be short, but it carries big ideas. The fleeting nature of life, the blend of urban and natural worlds, the loneliness of modern life, the beauty in ordinary moments, and the power of perception and imagination. Ezra Pound reminds us that even in a busy metro station, poetry and beauty can be found. If only we take a moment to look. Thank you for watching Station for Learning. If you enjoyed this literary analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help more students discover the beauty of literature. See you in the next lesson. And remember, every image tells a story.